Okay, we decided here we've been watching some videos online, and what they've been doing is they take a couple of these little wrenches here, and then what they do is they use two of them like so, and they stick them inside of a lock like so, and they manage to bust this thing open. We found it kind of hard to believe, so we went out and bought some of these locks, and we're going to try it. So what we have here is we're going to start with a regular little combination lock. Not very expensive. We're going to try that one. And then we kind of took a step up. Got this regular little padlock for like a suitcase. It looks like it's made out of some kind of a metal. We'll see how this one goes. You can see. Okay, it's a lock. Okay, and then after we do that one, then we decided to step it up a little bit more, and we got this one here. Solid brass, a little bit harder shackle. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot, and we're going to see how this goes. So we're going to hand this off over here, and we're going to have my partner here try it. The first one we're going to do is going to be the combination lock. So let's try this and see what happens. You put the two wrenches in there like so, and you wedge them, and then squeeze. Yeah. Let's see. Popped right open. And what it did was, here, let's get a closer look on the casing here. It looks like the little mechanism on the inside actually got bent, which allowed it to pop past the mechanism. This is kind of a cheap little aluminum thing. Take it, I'm going to try to lock it back in there. Okay, now it won't lock. Okay, so we popped this one. Next, we're going to try a little suitcase lock. Once again, we're going to put the two wrenches in here. We might need to use a little bit smaller one, maybe not. But luckily, we got our trusty set over here. Okay. Try it again. Da, da, da. No. The smaller one. There you go. Okay, you can see the handles, how they wedged. And let's try it. Oops, looks like it slipped out. Try it again. Sure looked easy on the videos. Oh, as a piece of metal just went whizzing past my ear. Let's see here. Let's get a close-up on the lock. Yep. It looks like what happened, it looks like it tore out past the main case. It looks like it's some kind of a pot metal or something. Let's see if we can put a little bit bigger wrench in there, not as wider. And let's see if we can break this thing out all the way. The casing apparently broke, so we know it's pretty cheap. There we go. A little bit more. And we're in. Here it is. Broken. Shish kebabbed. Very chintzy. Okay. Now, we're going to take it. We're going to get rid of that one. Now, we're going to try something a little bit better. This one is a hardened brass. I do not promote this company shown on the lock. I'm just doing it strictly for informational purposes. So we're going to use two larger wrenches, and I'm going to put them on here and see where we go. A little bit of work. Maybe a third hand here might help. Once he gets the lock on here, Okay, got it. I'm letting go so I don't lose my fingers. Was it a slip or did it break? Oh my God. Can you see this up close here? Let's try it some more. Get closer to there. Oh. Here. And look at that. Let's see what we got here. You can see we got little chunks of debris here. Little pieces of block. Wow. Solid brass. And it just destroyed it. Wow. This is quite fascinating. We might have to try this on a tougher lock. So once again, wrenches 3, locks 0.